Good morning, world. It is a beautiful day in Gulfport, Mississippi, United States of America. This is just a little nature walk. I am in the North Gulfport, and it is a nice day. To walk down a train track. It's always interesting in seeing what you will see on your nature walk. Sometimes you see something, sometimes you see nothing. So it's like a day in life, a walk with Peach. That we could call these nature walks. Peach is Wild Rose Cohen, by the way. YouTube, that girl Peaches. Facebook, Peach Cohen. Instagram, I Am the Movement. So just look me up. Follow me on the new adventures that we're going to be starting. And we'll just see what we come up with in this world. Sure, we'll find a lot of interesting things eventually on the way. Well, one thing's for sure. It's a good thing there's no train coming because I don't exactly know how where you would go if a train was coming. So I'm gonna hurry up and try to get across this little bridge. Definitely, I guess if a train came, I could always just jump down there. But when I get to this little bridge up here, and there is a train that comes on this track. It just comes and switches the track over. It's like big red and yellow. So I'll get that one day so y'all can see that the track that I'm on is actually a real train track, is actually in use. I just enjoy walking down them till the train starts to come. Which has never happened yet, because if it did, I wouldn't still be walking here talking with you guys. A lot of people actually get hit by trains in Mississippi. Not normally in Gulfport, but in Biloxi. Like, maybe I'll go do some documentation on the places where, you know, in Biloxi where people actually always get hit by trains. We had a friend by the name of Angie. And I might go to that particular spot and show y'all. Not her, she's not there, but I'm talking about, like, I don't know, roundabout what happened. It's kind of weird, I don't know. But anyways, now I'm coming up on this bridge right here. And if a train was to come, this was something I was trying to hurry up and get across this. Because if a train was to come, at this point, I would not be able to save my damn self. Because there's nowhere to go but, I hope this don't fall. I'm right at the edge too. Oh, that's scary. See, so if a train was coming, I guess you got one or two things to do. You can jump off and break your leg. Or you can just get hit. Okay, so now we're on the little bridge. Okay, this is kind of scary. It's got holes in it. Hopefully I don't drop anything. Oh, Lord. This is real scary. Alright. Now y'all see, I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of heights. And so this is one of the scariest things that I've, excuse me for coughing, had to encounter this morning walking over Turkey Bridge. And the name of this river is called Turkey Creek. A little stream or whatever you want to call it. So, actually ahead I see some lights. So I don't know if that's that. I'm about to be off this in a second anyway, so lucky me. Like I said, I'm in North Gulfport, the north of nothing. Going to B-Town, Buck City in a second. It's Biloxi. See what they got going on down there. Either police or a taxi. Probably the police. Look like the police. Police are always in the north. They don't really mess with you like that, but so at least there was no snakes on the trail. Some nice little rocks. I collected one. Wow. Eventually we're gonna be, I'm going to go to New Orleans and do some recordings. I have a few things in mind that I want to investigate that's kind of interesting. When I get to New Orleans and start doing documentation on it, I'll tell y'all a little bit more about what it is and how New Orleans is connected to Mississippi and the two men that started it all. And everything like that. So we are almost at the end of the train track. About 7 a.m. in the morning, so this is how it looks in Mississippi at 7. It's actually a little bit hot, not too chilly. Everybody going to work. Because, you know, people in the north, they go to work, they got a job. I don't know about that unemployment shit, but I know the people around my folks in the north, they go to work. They ain't even starting that unemployment thing that Mississippi just stole from everybody. I'll walk the back way to get to my house. Somebody stole one of my damn. If y'all look at my documentary on the chickens, the crop had 3 baby chickens. I don't know if a snake or something got one of them. Somebody picked it up. I don't know. Hot shit out here. Train track still over there to the right of us. We got off of that joint, going towards the house. So you can tell there ain't no thieves around here, because I see how people leave their cars running and stuff. You know, I live in Chicago or something, Detroit, they car be gone. Oh, and they jamming in the morning. That's what I'm gonna do. Make it my house and do a little garden like that. A little bigger than that. I don't know what I want to plant yet though. Right through there, the neighborhood. Obviously, I'm not gonna be jumping trees or fences. You know, I gotta walk around. Right there's Miss Wanda's that I think the chickens might have came from. That looked like Somebody I know driving up the street. Hey. See, it's very friendly. People looking out the windows at you and everything like that. We're almost be at the neighborhood. I mean, we're almost about to go in the neighborhood. Hey. Alright. Now we're in the neighborhood. We're about to go conclude this. There's the mother. That's where she sits at in the daytime with the baby chicks. They've gotten so big. If you want to see the croc from the beginning, just go onto my YouTube page, That Girl Peaches, and then look through the stuff, and then you'll see the beginning of when she had the 10 eggs. And we've been following her and her little adventures also. So there she goes. And here is actually the father. I don't know what the hell he's doing. Just gonna walk up on him. So there's the father croc. That's actually the croc. The rooster right there, the daddy. So if you guys want to know more about them, like I said, go into my page, That Girl Peaches, and follow the croc and just enjoy the chickens. Go get her.